As soon as you walk through those doors, you are met with light, happiness, and it really pulls you in.
Well, thank you for the enthusiastic welcome.
In the exhibition, we have 170 works by nearly 50 artists.
You have the kind of pointillism of Seurat and the brushstrokes of Van Gogh playing around here.
What happens in the darkroom is you study it, and then you see where can it function better.
My name is Teresita Fernandez, and I am working on the project for Harvard Yard.
Most people know Paige as sort of the father of video art, the way he kind of broke down the rules that separated different artistic mediums.
With these vessels, we have the very objects that people had in their hands.
There's something about working with the material of clay that is so old that there's a common sense to it.
A few words of thanks, that's always my job. I want to thank all of you who play an ongoing role in our community at the Harvard Art Museums as members, as fellows, and as our ambassadors in the larger world. You sustain us and you inspire us, and we are deeply grateful.
A lot of the things I've learned here I'll carry on for the rest of my life.